Yeah! Get up!
What is up, everybody? It is summertime and it is hot, and in California typically summertime means wildfire time, and I don't know if you can tell, typically this would be a clear, nice, lovely summer day, but we have some cloud cover. But what you see ahead, and I'm not sure how it will appear on the video for you, but for me what I see ahead is haziness and what kind of looks like fog, and what that is a wildfire that has been burning, and it's been burning for a while, threatening some small towns out here. And one of those small towns happens to be the town in which my aunt and uncle live in, and they've lived in for, I mean, since I've been alive. So if you got good vibes, send them out there to Winters, California. And if you're watching this later, hopefully everything worked out, and the fire right now I believe is around 30% contained, and everyone in the city of Winters, where my family lives, has not been on evacuation alert, so hopefully it stays that way, and we can get out of this natural disaster without any real tragedy. But on a lighter note, these are the kinds of things that I talk about on my channel. Stuff that's going on in the vicinity of where I live, stuff that's going on in my life, things that affect me. You know, I'll jump to random subjects from time to time. I just recently posted a video about our leopard geckos. You know, I posted videos about some of my hobbies, one of those which happens to be musical theater. But what I wanted to talk about today was the reason why I turn on the camera, jump on my bike, and talk to you all and anyone who's willing to listen. And really the bottom line for me is, you know, I love to ride my motorcycle. I don't record all the time when I'm riding, because sometimes I just like to jump on the bike and just ride. But a lot of the times I am recording, and the reason why I do it is because it's and you'll hear me say this a lot on the channel, is that it's therapeutic. For me, jumping on the bike and talking to the camera, sharing stories, talking about riding, talking about what's going on, it's a way for me to express myself, to get my thoughts out in the open, so, you know, I can think about them a little bit more deeply, if you will, not necessarily on my channel. And a lot of the times I'll record content here with the GoPro that never makes it to the channel, and unfortunately I don't have enough space on my hard drive, and I need to get a hard drive to store all of it, you know, just so I can, you know, I can make blooper videos or whatever. People do that all the time, outtake videos. But frankly, you know, when I do this, sometimes I'll just talk, and whatever comes out, if it's interesting enough, will make it to the channel, and whatever doesn't ends up getting deleted. But for me, whether it gets onto the channel or not, this is a way for me to just get my thoughts out there. I mean, when you think about it, when you go to talk to a counselor, when you go to talk to a therapist or a psychiatrist, you talk. They want you to talk. They want you to tell them what's going on. And a lot of the times that's just so that you can sort things out in your brain, because when you express them verbally, those are the times that you can fix what might be going wrong. And if no one knows, or if you don't really know what's going on, when it gets out in the open, that's when you can fix it. But again, like I said, motovlogging for me is therapy session. It's a way for me to get my feelings out there, to get feedback from you guys, and really, I don't get a whole ton of feedback on my channel. I mean, I do have at this point close to 750 subscribers, and at this point I'll definitely have had 300,000 views. So it's not like my channel's not getting watched, but I could probably afford to reach out to you guys to get a little bit more feedback, because that's definitely something that I want to work on, and something that I want to get from you all. Because again, how am I going to make my channel better if I don't know exactly what the people who are watching it really want, or how they're feeling about it? So this is your guys' chance right now. So just throw down a comment down there. Let me know how you feel about the channel, if you're a subscriber especially. And if you're not a subscriber, hit the little subscribe button, which is at the bottom of the screen. Or you could just hit the subscribe button, which is below the screen. And check out what's going on with me. I post videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so there's always something new going on. I try to post a variety of content. I'll do test rides, I do new rider tips. And again, this is all just coming from a fellow rider. I'm not a professional, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a guy who likes to ride and likes to, you know, try new things and see if it sticks. So guys, that's all I got for you today. If you're a motovlogger, please leave a comment down below on what makes you motovlog and what and really feel free to post a link down there and I will approve it. If anyone's cruising by the comment section, they can click on over to your channel. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, and if you're so inclined, hit the subscribe button, which I'll pop up right over here. I'll also throw up some links for you to go straight to one of my other videos in this direction. Guys, if you're riding, be safe, and if you're not riding, get riding. This is that one guy, and I'm out.